Hello, everybody. It's Mr. Rashid here again, and welcome to another week of celebrating some incredible online learning in our Year 3 and 4 celebration assembly. So, these are the children who have shown a particularly increased effort in their online learning or produce an exceptional piece of learning as well, or regular, brilliant piece of learning, online learning over a few weeks at a time. Again, there are some children who have received maybe 2 certificates this week. That's because they've submitted work to the class teacher, but also to work like Spanish or PE or something extra where a different teacher has given them an emerald as well, or spelling frame activities as well. That could be a reason why they might have received a second. So we're going to get started and we're going to go straight into Nightingale. Sorry, it is. So well done to Ameld in Nightingale, to Fiona, again well done, Joshua, Dennis, Danashiri, Poojan, Maha, Zubaida, and Fiona, and Danashiri again. So well done Fiona and Danashiri 2 this week. Moving on to Lister. First one's for Asia. Hussein, well done. Natalia, again well done. Vladut, Gabriella, Jatin, Jaden, and Natalia again, very well done too this week. Moving on to Seacole, first one's for Jacob and Zachariah, Christoph, Mohammed Raza, Alana, Dima, Peter, Sophie, and Jacob the second this week, very well done. So moving on to Parks class, first one's for Zachariah, well done. Cole, Jousa, Ryan, Habiz, Nemo, Aaliyah, Jewel, Asia, Amrit, Bianca, Ramatullah, and another one for Jewel. Well done. Lots in Parks. Incredible effort from lots of you guys and girls. Well done. Moving on to Year 4 Mandela class. Vishvesh, well done again this week. Amira, Aitan, Alia, Shravan, Munir, Stefania, Ajay, another one for Shravan, and another one for Munir. So very well done. Great efforts for everybody in Mandela. Moving on to Year 4 Tubman, and that's just one for Ariane. Very well done to everyone. Keep up the hard work. Keep submitting your online learning. Keep practicing spellings, and hopefully your name will be in the certificates next week. Special shout out to Mandela class, who achieved nearly 40,000 points on spelling frame activities this week. So very well done. Have a look at the shout out videos as well for the breakdown of who achieved how many points in each class. But very well done to Mandela and in that class. Keep up the hard work, stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Bye for now.